How to sell items on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can sell items or anything on Facebook Marketplace. Now it's quite simple and easy. Simply open up Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. Now head into Marketplace by tapping on the Marketplace icon that you'll find at the navigation bar, or if you don't find it here, what you can do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right and then scroll down, and on the shortcuts you'll find the option Marketplace. Now here at the top of Marketplace you can see the option Sell. Simply tap on Sell option here. Now you can see you can create a listing here. Now you can either sell your items, vehicles or properties for sale or rent. I'll just be showing you up with items. Now the process is quite simpler. If you wanna sell items, simply tap on items, and then here what you want to do is add picture of the item and then add your title here of your item, then price, and then you can select the category if you want, and then select category from the categories and select the condition. And here down below you can add description where you can add additional details, and then you can hide this from your friends if you want, and then simply tap on publish option at the top right corner of the screen. You can see a little publish option. Simply tap on publish and you'll be able to publish it, and the buyer or anyone that wants to buy can contact you and will direct message you. So this way you can sell on Marketplace. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.